Today we are going to show you another kind of dish. Okay, so I will show you what exactly that one. See here, this is the tinapang. Okay? Tinapang Bangus. Okay, so it is an actually milkfish. So they make it as same like a dry fish, and they used to dry in sunlight, right?
You know what they put? Smoky.
I'm not sure. So smoky, something like that. See the take the came because we fry. Okay, see here. This is the fish. Okay, I will take some. Okay, and see here, it is very nice.
You put in your plate.
See here, I will put in my plate, and this is this one actually fried onion with this. This is Bagoong. Okay, same like the salty fish sauce, and then this one is Kamote. Kamote.
Talbos.
Okay? Kamote, Talbos na Kamote, okay? And then some garlic they fry.
You take?
I will take some. It's very hot. Okay, I will take a little bit. And then one onion piece. And also
you take one more garlic.
one more garlic.
Then the onion take some more.
Okay, this onion also.
You take dip.
Nice.
You want to put bagoong in your rice?
It's very hot.
Oh, like this.
Shake it. See, I'll put some. Okay, now. And that one is vinegar.
Yeah, you
And
dip.
here they add some lemon also.
Yeah.
I mean calamansi.
You can dip the tinapa here.
Oh, but I used to eat. See the cat. For the fish it is coming. Okay, first I will eat without any dipping in this one. Okay. Very tender. See sir. Very soft, tender.
How's it the bangus? This you can feel some pepper.
Some smoky flavor.
Oh, I don't know what they put this one. Why like this?
A lot. This is Talbos na Kamote. Same like that. This is actually a sweet potato leaf. Next.
You try to dip the tinapa in suka. Ang magaan sa lagay dyan.
Let me try with dipping it.
You want to try this one?
See this one?
Suka.
Vinegar mixed sweet.
You want to take? I will take.
Only one bit.
Parang kalabasang sili. Oh. But very spicy. Oh, pang breakfast.
Spicy. Once I bite it,
How is it the food?
the food is today very nice. Not
You have
too
it
much
like
heavy.
this in India?
Have.
No, the smoky like this.
This kind of
you
thing
don't have.
We have, but not like same in this one. This fish is very rare.
No, like this how they cook, smoke something.
Sometimes they used to cook.
But they
I
put
never
some
tried.
masala, right? But here no.
Okay. Very tasty today. Not too much heavy. Light. That's all. Here, onion. Tinapa. Nice. Very tasty. Again, I will take some fish and then I will eat. I like the food today very much.
Kahit pala ng Indianong Tinapang Bangus eh.
So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Right? And thanks for watching this one. And also please subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers and comment. And also press the bell button for new video notification. And thanks for watching again. And we will see you on the next video. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.